Hey everyone, welcome to JNTUX Concepts channel. So in this video we are going to discuss the snapshot of quantum technologies like quantum computing, quantum communication and quantum sensing. So if you are new to this JNTUX channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do like this video. So in JNTUX channel we discuss all the JNTU subjects which are very important for your university exams. So if you are studying in JNTU, JNTUK, JNTUH, any of the affiliated universities or colleges, so this video is for you. So without any late, let's get into our today's topic. Snapshot of quantum technologies. So what is meant by quantum technologies? The technologies that rely on the principles of quantum mechanics are known as quantum technologies. These are at the forefront of technological revolution, harnessing principle of quantum mechanics like superposition, entanglement, and quantization for the development of revolutionary tools to surpass the capabilities of classical computers. These quantum technologies are being developed across various domains, each offering a transformative potential for science, industries, and society in our everyday life. So, the first quantum technology is quantum computing, the well known application of quantum mechanics. Unlike classical computers that process information in binary bits that can be either 0 or 1, but whereas in quantum computing, the primary quantum systems that are used are qubits or quantum bits. These quantum bits or qubits leverage the superposition and entanglement to perform computations. These qubits exist in a superposition of 0 and 1 so that it allows quantum computers to perform multiple or many calculations in parallel, like factoring large numbers, optimizing complex systems, etc., exponentially faster than classical machines. So it has several applications in cryptography, drug discovery, material science, AI optimization problems, etc. So moving to quantum communication, it focuses on secure transmission of information using quantum phenomena by using quantum states to transmit the information securely. So it uses quantum key distribution, that is QKD, which allows two parties to share a cryptographic key with a guaranteed security. If any eavesdropping tries to happen or interrupt the quantum state, then it gets changed and it alerts the communication parties immediately. Quantum communication also involves quantum teleportation, where the state of a particle is transferred instantaneously over a distance using entanglement. Quantum communication promises unprecedented level of security for sensitive data. So it is far more secure and reliable than the usual communication that is happen between classical computers. So the applications for quantum communication is secure information networks, quantum internet, etc. And moving to quantum sensing, the use of quantum systems to measure physical quantities with extreme precision. Quantum sensors can detect even very small variations in gravitational at a time, while the classical sensors fail to detect those variations. So it has applications in medical diagnosis, underground explorations, navigation systems, precision timings, etc. All these quantum technologies are not isolated or individual. They are a part of evolving quantum ecosystem, which is expected to reshape the technological landscape in upcoming decades. So that is all about the snapshot of quantum technologies. So summary of this video is we have covered what is meant by quantum technologies. The technologies which rely on the principles of quantum mechanics are known as quantum technologies. There are many kinds of quantum technologies like quantum computing, quantum sensing, quantum communication, etc. But here in the syllabus of JNTU, they have given that quantum computing, quantum sensing, and quantum communication, and we have covered three of them. That is all about the snapshot of quantum technologies in Introduction to Quantum Technologies and Applications of 3-1 semester in R23 regulation. So I hope you have understood this concept. In our next video, I'll be covering the national and global quantum missions topic. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. Keep learning.